This is product D3090. This is the Croft 1871C Rim Latch. The finish is the satin nickel plate that this one is in. We do many different finishes, so please check our website to see what we have available. This is the large, which is the 6 inches. The length of this is 152 millimeters, which is 6 inches. The width of the keep is 21 millimeters. And the height of both of these is 76 millimeters. This is an extremely high quality, solid latch from Croft. Each latch is hand finished and supplied with a keep. Take a look on our website to see what we recommend for which doorknobs which will work with this rim lock. As you can see, you'll get all your fixtures which will match the finish that you have chosen.